Hey friends, welcome to Math Today. Just a couple of things. Do you still have your hundredths chart? Because if you do, we're going to be using that a lot because we're going to be practicing, excuse me, counting by fives, also our evens and odds. And then in a couple of weeks will be our 100th day of school. So we want to make sure that we can count all the way up to 100, okay? So maybe practice a couple of those things at home, especially counting 100. Make sure you can do that. I know you guys probably can, but just make sure that you're still getting practice with that. Let's count by odds, so the yellow numbers. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Can you do that without looking? Try it at home. Okay, red numbers, evens. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, when we count by fives, we're going to use the middle column and we're going to use the end column. So, if, and we just skip back and forth from the middle to the end. So, here's how we count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So you're just skipping every five numbers, okay? So 5 to 10, 15, 20. The reason why we need to know that is because when we count nickels, we count by fives. And when we count tally marks, we also count by fives, okay? So practice that at home. I'm thinking I should probably color the whole middle section yellow so we can see it a little better. Because those are still odd numbers because they have the 5 on the end, which is an odd number. So you're just going to go this row over to the end row. And if all the end row was colored red, you just go back and forth a pattern from yellow to red, yellow to red. Okay, so if you need another hundredths chart, you can probably ask your mom or dad. You can just Google it and say hundredths chart, and I just printed this off from online. Or your mom and dad could email me if you need another one, and I'll send you another one home, okay? So there's counting. If we do our math facts today, we're going to be doing -2. Not if we do our math facts, because we're going to do them right now. But you would do -2, which means you're just going smaller by 2 numbers. So if it says 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 equals 6, because you're just going backwards 2. 1, 2. So I am going to put the hundredths chart away, and if you have one, you can use it to do this, of course. But I think it'll be easier for you to just hear me do it with you, okay? So follow along and see if you can say the number at the same time as me, okay? First row, ready? 8 minus 2 equals 6. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So we're just going smaller by 2 numbers. Second row, 9 minus 2 equals 7. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 4 minus 2 equals 2. I know if I'm going a little fast, I apologize. You can always pause it and do it on your own and then check it with me. And then also I'll send home some flashcards in your next packet that will be -2, okay? So you can practice those at home. Okay, third row, now we're doing +2, so now we're getting bigger by 2. Also, if you practice these really good, your evens and odds, counting by 2s, that will help too, okay? Ready, third row, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Last row, 9 plus 2 equals 11. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay. On the back, there's nothing, so you don't need to worry about doing anything on the back today. Remember, if you fill out the back side, I'll send you a little treat, gummy bear, or sticker in your next packet. Okay, 72A, so we're on the A side. Draw a line segment. So connect the dots so that you can write your name right up here. Today is January 25th, so 1-25-2021. You can fill out this part later, or you can pause it and copy it. And today is Monday. Okay? All right, we are going... Okay, so here's the date and the day of the week. So if you need to pause and fill that in, you can. I'm not super worried about the day of the week, but you practice writing the date. It's just fine. Okay, number 1, we're writing the number 65 once. We'll trace it, and then we'll write the number two more times. Okay, ready? Slant down and give it a curl, down and around and give it a hat to write the number 65. Slant down and give it a curl, down and around and give it a hat to write the number 65. Okay, so we've got 2 numbers, 2 digits in 65. So if we're going to count all of them, we can count by 2s because there's 2 numbers together. Ready? 2, 4, 6. There's 6 numbers on the line. Now we're going to write tally marks for that many numbers. Okay, so every time you get hit 5 or 10, you're going to do across the other way. So watch me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be 5 plus 1, 6. Number 2, Mrs. Watts has 3 slices of bread. She cuts each slice in half. Draw a picture to show what happened. Okay, she has 3 slices of bread. So I'm just going to draw squares. Okay. Then she cut each slice in half. So now she has this many pieces. If this was in half and this is in half right here, or if this slice is in half, she's got 2 pieces. So she's got 2, 4, 6. It says, how many children can have a piece of bread? 6 children can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're going to go ahead and count by 5s to count the tally marks. Ready? Number 3. So it's 5. You don't have to underline it. It's just me showing you. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now that's all the complete sets. Those are 5s. Now we count by 1. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. There are 27 tally marks. See how fast that was to count instead of counting every single line? Okay, number 4, color the pennies brown. Remember that pennies are the ones that we can see. Abraham Lincoln's full suit, or not full, but down to his chest. So this one is a penny. This one is not. See, we can't see any of his clothes or his tie. The Lincoln Memorial is a penny. Okay. Now, circle, okay, oh, right up here, how much money is this? So we count first, a dime is worth how much? 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 cents. All right, number 5. Here's the number 27 and here's the number 35. We have to figure out which number is between 27 and 35. These are the options. So is 36 between the number 27 and 35? 36 is too big. It would go after. Okay, so not 36. How about 24? Here's 27. 27 would come before, so it's not that one. How about 31? 27, 35. So 31 does go right in the middle. So there you go. That's what you need to do. You don't have to write these over here. Okay, we're going to do some plus 2 and minus 2 on number 6. Ready? 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 minus 2 equals, getting smaller, 5. 4 plus 2, getting bigger, equals 6. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 4 minus 2 equals 2. All right, that's it for today. On the back side, there is some more work. So if you do this at home, you can't see it very well, and turn it back in your packet, then I'll send you an extra little treat in your next packet. And that's all. Talk to you soon.